Now, my intention is here you can observe sometimes home kind of symbol, right? So that symbols, font awesome, font awesomes, how to use we are going to see right now. So here one more functionality view also is there based on that ID. Whenever you are going to click view component also we need to see that one. That one also I'm going to creating and we are going to provide the information. See how we are going to providing. Create, create. People are understood. People are following. Any difficulty, any doubt? Here I need to create view student dot js. Okay. So here go to the first of all student list. So how update level we are going to provide it similar kind of way. Here also I need to provide one view student kind of method I need to provide here on click event level. On click event equal to here I need to provide arrow type of function. View student is the method name. Within that I need to provide what student dot id I'm going to provide it. Okay. So whenever I'm going to click I need to call the view student method. This method I need to provide now where I need to provide above written statement, right? So here we need to provide. So here constant view student equal to we need to provide the ID. Based on that ID only I need to go to the view student component, right? View student component I need to routing is I need to provide. I need to provide view student also. I need to provide here how I'm going to using same kind of way. Update level how I'm going to providing same kind of way I need to use. Go to the routing concept. Where is the routing concept? Go to here nav bar. Nav bar here routing is I need to provide. How to provide? Here root path equal to view slash colon id here element equal to flower bracket level. What is the component? View component, right? View student component. We are not created. We are created. Here R F A C E. I'm going to using this one. This is the component I need to use. So here control space view student component is getting. So close this one and close this one. So this is the way we are going to provide it. So whenever student list level, here go to the student list. Whenever I'm going to click the view, it is calling the view button. Here, whatever the routing is, we are going to providing URL is there now. This view based on that it is coming to the view student. So view student level, I need to fetch the ID first. So if I want to fetch the ID, what is required? Constant here flower bracket level ID equal to use params. We are going to using what? Use params. So that ID we are getting. So once ID getting, based on that ID, I need to get the entire student information, right? That is the functionality what is required. Use effect is required. Use effect is required. Use effect level, two things are there. One is arrow type of function, another one is dependency. So this is the way we are going to provide dependencies ID. I'm going to pass it here. I need to get the information and store that information into the where student level constant. Here I'm going to define here one student object. Here comma set student, and we need to provide here what use state, and I need to provide here null initialize. Okay, initially null. This student level based on this ID, I need to fetch. So that is the purpose what I'm doing here. I'm going to using here. I'm going to maximize so that you people are understood. Right here, student service dot Get student by ID. Based on that ID, we are getting right. Then response we are going to get. The response is whether it is getting or not checking purpose console.log I'm going to using, and response.data I'm going to providing. Response.data I'm going to providing. Okay. So that console level we are going to see that one. First we need to check. After this we need to check. So whenever I'm going to click this one, console level, it is going to get the data or not. We need to check. See here, go to the console. This object is getting. Object level core to Java, ID is to Siva. That means we are getting, right? So this information I need to set into the where student, set student. And I need to pass here response dot data so that my student based on that ID we are fetching and storing where here. This is a view only view purpose only this one. We are not modifying. So here class name equal to I need to provide here card, and I need to provide here div. Within that I need to provide here class name equal to card hyphen header. Okay, how previously I'm going to provide an update student, same kind of way we are going to providing here. Okay, here already designed, right? A similar kind of way view student level also I'm doing, but here we are not updating, just showing the information only. So here I need to provide h1 I'm using view student details. Okay, so next I need to provide here what div tag I'm using here, class name equal to card body. This card body level I need to provide what div tag I'm using here. I need to provide class name equal to mb-3. Here I need to provide what label. This label level class name equal to form label. Here label is what student ID. Student ID we are going to define. Next, even you can use a simple kind of a instead of label also you can able to specify the value directly. You can able to provide here just to colon I'm going to using. After that I need to provide here what uh, so here student here just I'm going to provide the ID directly. Okay, after that break the line, otherwise you can use this kind of way. Another kind of div, just I'm going to copy this one instead of using input box directly. I need to provide the information student dot what is that one name. Okay, here I need to provide name. Next, I need to provide here what one more div. Here I need to provide course. Here I need to use student object level course is there student dot course. So this is the way I'm trying to get the values. Okay. So this is the way we are getting. Whenever I'm going to click view button, I need to get that particular information, right? So here name property also I need to use and get the values. Instead of using this kind of way, here what I'm doing, I need to use constant. I need to provide the name, comma, set name equal to use state here empty. I'm going to provide it. Next constant. We need to use here course, comma, set course equal to use state. I'm using initially empty. I'm going to provide it. Now here I'm using set name. How to set the name? Here we need to use rs dot data dot name. Okay. Next I need to use set course. Here I need to provide response dot data dot course. So we are going to set that value. So instead of going to using here student type, directly you can use what name. we can able to access. Similarly here, course also we are able to get this one, right? So now go to here and click. This is the update one. Okay, go back list. Here I need to provide what? View. Yes, we are getting perfect. Now I need to provide here back button. Whenever I'm going to click the back, I need to go to the list. Okay, so how to provide the back button? Here I need to use one more div separately. I'm going to using class name equal to mb-3. I'm going to provide it. How many people are practicing? Everyone is practicing. Here back I'm going to using. So here I need to provide class name equal to btn space btn primary. So this is the way we are getting. Whenever I'm going to click, I need to redirect to the where? Student list. Okay. So that is the purpose. What I need to do here, I need to provide here on click. This is handle back. This is the method I need to create. How to create? Where I need to create? Above return statement I need to create. How to create? Constant handle back equal to array type of function I'm going to define here. Here I need to use navigate and navigating. Okay, how to use the navigate? Here constant navigator equal to use navigate. Use navigate. We are going to using what? Navigator, and we are going to redirect it. Go to here. I need to provide here navigator. Already provide the routing list. So based on that routing configuration, we are going to redirecting automatically. See this one, go to here, back. Yes. Yes. Click this one, it is going to opening. Yes, perfect, right? So view functionality also provided. So here view only, we are getting the details information. That's it. We are not updating. If you want to update, you can go to the update. Delete also done. Create is separate. So this is the way view functionality also were added. That is also I'm going to providing here. This is the step number 4. Step number 4. Add method into the student list component view button. That is the first thing. Okay, for your reference, that list student list entire thing I'm going to providing, but mainly you need to focus what view student method and this link level, how I'm going to provide it. How I'm going to provide it, that is the only you need to concentrate. This is the one. Okay, here view student kind of one. This is the only you need to concentrate. Even though I'm going to providing entire code here, reference purpose. After that, step number 5, create a view student component. Any doubt? Someone is open the mic. Create a view student component. Okay. Any doubt? Go to the view student. Here is the code. Okay. So just we are going to copy paste here for your reference. So this is the way we are going to see entire functionality. My requirement is I need to provide here sometimes fonts. So font awesome, how to implement, I'm going to focusing right now. Font awesome, how to icons. We are going to see some websites level home symbol, services symbol, right? Sign in, sign up, symbols is there, right? The symbols how to get. That is the concept we are going to focusing. So we are successfully completed JSON based cloud operations. Axios JSON server based cloud operations successfully are completed. Now we are going to focusing another kind of concept, icons, how to use, how to provide font icons, font awesome. How to use font awesome icons. Okay, so same application level only I'm going to providing. So if I want to use icons, first I need to install font awesome library. So that is the reason here continuation steps. I'm going to provide the continuation part. Here steps is I'm going to continue. Okay, don't confuse. Step number 6. Step number 6. What is the step number 6? Install font awesome libraries. What are the commands? 3 commands you need to use. npm install -save @fort some. This is the kind of one. Okay, by practicing only you can able to know, remember. Dot svg -core. This is the one. Next, another one is similar kind of way. Similar kind of way we are going to define to copy this one. Another library also you need to install. Free solid svg icons. That is the one. Another one is also you need to install. Here we need to specify React font awesome. These are the libraries. First we need to install that one. Once you are installing that one, you can able to go to the your nav bar. That nav bar level we need to provide the import statement. After adding that one, I'm going to copy paste. Okay, first this one. After that, step number 7, go to navbar component and add font awesome icons. Once it is copy, once I'm going to provide, I'm going to copy paste here. Okay, first of all, I need to install these libraries. So if I want to install the libraries, already command prompts internal and external is running, already working. So that is the reason what I need to do. Here I need to provide one more command prompt. This is the location. This location level, one command I'm going to install. This library I need to install. So copy this one. Go to here, command prompt. Where is that one? Here, go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt. Anyone is any kind of errors are facing? I'm going to install the first one. First one I'm installing. Right, it is installed. Next, second one. Copy this one and go to here and paste it. Second one also it is going to installing. Okay, next, third one. So this is the way libraries you need to install. Next, we need to go to the nav bar, right? We need to go to the navbar component. What is the purpose? Here icons we need to see here. Okay. Links level, I need to provide icons. So here, what I'm doing now, I'm going to using here. I need to use font awesome icon. font awesome icon. I need to specify and I need to provide here icon equal to here is different kind of icons are available. So we need to create some user kind of things, right? Student is nothing but a user. Let us assume where it is available. These things I will show that one. FA user plus like that. I'm going to using, and I need to close this one. So this is the way I'm going to providing. Once I'm going to providing like this, see this one symbol, see this one, right? This is the way we are going to provide it. Next, I need to provide another one is list, right? Student list. So how to provide this one? Go to here. We need to use same kind of way here also. Just I'm going to press here new, and we need to add here what? Font awesome icon. Icon is I'm going to providing FA list. FA list. Okay. After that, I need to close this one. Okay. Now go to here. See the symbols. Understood how I'm going to add it? Font awesomes. Like that, you can able to see how to get that FA list, FA user and all. You need to check like this. Font awesome. Font awesome icons. You need to search like this. Okay. Font awesome icons. If I'm going to click this one, it is going to showing the icons. Different icons is there. What kind of icons is required? For example, bank is you need to click this one. Here it is showing what is this one? FA university kind of one. But here React level don't use hyphens. Camel case is required. FA university like that you need to use. Okay, understood? Go to here. For example, I need to provide FA university. How to provide this one? FA university. You can see this one here, university. Icons are getting or not, right? So this is the way you can search and corresponding icon you need to provide. Corresponding icon you need to provide. Understood? Very simple. Very simple. Okay. So first thing is you need to install these three libraries. Second thing is go to navbar wherever links is there. Okay. Wherever links is there. Even we are using the routing application, right? Home, services, videos, contact us, about us, application is there already. We are done. You can open that application, install these libraries, and add the font icons. Okay. So this is the area level. Whenever you are going to using this kind of things, what happen? See here, it is going to adding these kind of import statements. If it is not added, it is not working your application. Okay. So here, first you need to add import statements. For our reference, I'm going to copy paste. After that, okay, second thing, add icons into links. Okay, for our reference, I'm going to observation purpose easily entire instead of going to see entire code, just easily recognition purpose I'm going to provide it, even though I'm going to providing entire code also. That entire component also I'm going to providing. but your understanding purpose, I'm going to provide the clarity here. Okay. Now I'm going to writing note entire navbar .js component also here. I'm going to copy paste. Okay. Everything I'm going to providing, sir. If you are practicing, then only you can get the hands-on. Okay. I'm going to give each and every step. Spoon feeding I'm giving. The only thing is you need to raise the questions. You need to ask the questions. Yesterday someone is asking this index. Okay. So I could not remember, but very valid question. I'm expecting that kind of question. See, that is the reason only you people are understood, right? How to provide the front end. Back end level also people are take care, sequence and all updating. But in case front end level, if you want to update, even if IDs 1 or 2 is there, for example, I'm going to providing here, third one I'm going to providing, okay? Third one is some XYZ I'm going to provide it, and I'm going to providing here spring and click create. It is creating, right? So it is creating. Now I'm going to delete this Siva, okay? Whenever I'm going to delete, I want to see 0, 1 only, not for the 2. Okay, click delete. Okay, see, automatically it is getting right. So this is the way index also we are going to updating. So what for that purpose, what I'm doing, I'm using index in the instead of student ID, I'm going to display the student list level. Student list level, I'm going to provide it here what? Index value. Okay, I'm going to provide it here what? Index value. Student list, go to the student list. Student list level table rendering na here instead of going to using student.id and provide the index. That is the reason we are getting this one. Perfect. Right? Any questions?
No, sir.
Tomorrow we are going to focusing. Tomorrow we are going to focusing life cycle methods, class component level. Some of the life cycle methods we are already using in the functional component, even though we are going to see what are the functional component life cycle methods. After that, I'm going to sharing 10 workshop files, 10 notepad files. Each and every notepad level steps are there. If you are going to following and creating, you can get the canteen management kind of application. You need to work on those kind of files parallelly. Now, after completing the life cycle hooks, I'm going to concentrating Redux third party state management. Previously, we are using the array, right? That array, other kind of component level we cannot able to access. Entire functionality, one component level only we are going to using. The drawback we are observed. Instead of using the component level that array, I need to maintain some outside the across the application different components level. If I want to access, I need to maintain the state outside. So we need to create a one store. So Redux kind of functionality we are going to concentrating. So next lifecycle methods. After that, Redux we are going to discussing main React concepts. It is going to finish it, but we are going to concentrating some third party libraries how to use. Third party libraries means what? Google Maps how to use. Okay. Suppose payment gateway how to integrate. Okay. How to use bar chart, pie charts, how to use data table, how to use. Right. Here I want to see data table. Here, for example, pagination is required. Suppose I'm going to searching based on the name, that record I need to see, right? Searching functionality, data table, how to use. pagination how to use, Google Maps how to use, charts how to use. Those things also you need to understand. Why? Because real time level, those things also. Okay. Even tomorrow, we are going to add image also. Image how to add. That is also, we can see that one. Okay. So this is the functionalities in the coming sessions we are going to discussing. So life cycle method is one session, and data table is one session, and pagination and data table one session, 2, 3, and Google Maps and Firebase database, cloud database, how to use, how to deploy the application, real time level, how to deploy. So another week, 6 sessions, if I'm going to take perfectly without break, regular topics finished. Next one is project explanation. I'm going to give the project explanation and how to create the dashboards. Real time level dashboards is there. Login, once you are going to log in, you can see the dashboard, right? So the dashboard, how to use also, we are going to see hardly 6 to 10 sessions only left. But slowly I will explain why, because those are all important. Up to this, whatever we have discussed, you need to practice. Without practice, those kind of things are difficult to implement the project level. Okay.